The guys at KNA kindly sent me this acoustic guitar pickup after I reached out to them, because you may remember in my other video I bought this Ibanez Artwood acoustic guitar which didn't have any electronics. The reason I bought that guitar was because it just played so well. I wasn't bothered about the electronics at that time. However, since then I've been gigging with a few friends who also have electric guitars and they plug into the PA system. So I was looking at a way to amplify the guitar. I didn't want to make any modifications to the guitar. I wanted a really simple solution and a really easy way to connect it through the PA system. In the US for the last 12 to 13 years, KNA pickups are handmade in Europe and then distributed in the US. The piezo pickup is completely encased in wood to get the full tone of the guitar. So let's take a look at the KNA SG-1 acoustic steel string pickup. It is a unique way of amplifying the guitar. There's no battery required. It's a simple non-permanent installation. You can leave it attached to the guitar. It looks pretty cool as well. You don't even notice it on my guitar. And when the cable comes down, didn't even know it was there, because obviously on the Fender Strat, the cable's pretty much at the front of the guitar anyway. So that didn't get in the way. That was absolutely fine. It's a little gem. I absolutely love this thing and I'm so pleased that the guy sent it to me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like and subscribe if this is your sort of thing. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon.